time we're going to be doing this. Repeat coat. Hang on a second, I'll let you know. All right. Oh. I got a bit of a point in there. Go for it. Just grunt forging. It's a shame to do that. The striker can do things that you would never consider doing with a power hammer without making complete sets of dies. And even then, the light one. What did I do? There's something I did right, but I didn't know what it was. Okay, I'm gonna weld that again. Okay, need your help. If you manage to maintain consciousness, go. Sorts of welding fluxes. And if you have a question that says welding fluxes, you yeah, see we have 4 different varieties. Because well, I don't use one. At that point, I had never heard of such a thing. You got the last tip, I'm sorry. That was my mess up. A little bit more. Forget that I do this as a rest position. I apologize if I'm giving you mixed signals. Okay. Kids' school didn't get paid for it, I went hungry if I didn't. So, most of my way of working is not how I would do if I just had time to do it. cutting this through far enough that I can break it off once it's welded on to the axe. Okay. Now, we'll go for welding here. That's it, I quit. If you learn the way I did, when there was no one around to tell you what it was you did wrong, you can't be a quitter. You just can't do it. Yeah, that's a good one. Get off of there. Already, you know, Vietnam veteran. Yeah. Got it right that time. Good guy. I'm going to take one more welding heat on that, and then I'm going to get you hit that big puller I've got here somewhere. I don't see it right at the moment. It's on my board. Okay. So I got enough heat to give this a hit. Clean that a little bit. I might have to re-weld this just a touch. Yeah, you knocked it open. There. Sound one. That's it. One more. All right. I'll get my hand here and take it a few times because I really don't know what to tell you to do with your sledge. All right. I feel horrible to be responsible. Embedding a chip with her. One more.
Notice he's getting his wick first.
Go. I didn't do just hooks, though. There were a lot of them. Got orders for 3,000 nails, the biggest one. And I did not just settle down to do $3,000 worth of nails. 3,000 nails, rather. Okay. Follow me with the hand hammer. One more. The second thought, I'm going to adjust this a little bit. And then I'll get you a bit with that down. Well, actually, I think I'd rather go ahead and just force that. Okay? Keep forgetting to quench my tongue a bit more. You go into that bite. It helps with this job that they have something solid like this floor to hold it up against to help you follow the lines. Brick floor is not ideal for this. And remember the price of things. When I first started driving, gasoline cost me 19 cents a gallon.
I wish. You're putting a dollar bill on the window and say $48 if you got 4 gallons.
5 cents an hour. But that 75 cents went a whole lot further than 75 cents will now. I can remember when you could buy a whole meal at McDonald's for 40 cents. And, you know, what all this means is we need to stop complaining about these billionaires. The billion isn't what it used to be. My first family took them. The kids loved McDonald's, and I took them, and I bought a hamburger, and I couldn't eat it. And that's pretty bad if I can't eat it. And since then, they've had the title with me. They make garbage burgers.
One thing you can guarantee about a McDonald's burger is it's going to be the same no matter where you go.
Yeah. Well, that's not quite true either. You been overseas?
Royals?
Yeah, they in Australia they put beets on them, sliced beef. Well, folks, you don't want to pick that up just yet, but that's our ads, and it needs a little bit of profile, Brandon.
Hand it to you first.
Okay.